Moving on to USD Swiss on the daily time frame, we can see we've had our break of structure in towards the downside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. This high failed to break and close above this high, and therefore it's not a valid break of structure. What we've seen is this trend that was pushing price in towards the downside, creating lower lows and lower highs. We come back up to form what we initially thought was the lower high. After liquidating this high, we then switched bearish, but we failed to put in that new lower low, and instead we switched bullish again with an internal break of structure. Now we have liquidated this high, and because we are overextended, we haven't seen a deep pullback for a little while. This could be the fuel to see that deeper push back down, where I would be looking for some of these points of liquidity for that next upside position. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see that this here is our most recent break of structure on the 4-hour. This is our swing low, this is our swing high. For the internal structure to continue pushing price up, I'd want to see a liquidation of this, see that momentum kick into the market, see the bullish buyers in, and then look for that long. Otherwise, I'll be staying out. I prefer to get involved once you've seen this daily liquidation of a low before then looking for the buy. Moving on to USD yen, this is the position that I'm eyeing up. I was saying yesterday that between 163 and 165, I anticipate the intervention, and I do just expect this to aggressively sell off. It's not a position I've actually set yet, and if I do decide to take it, I will be sure to let you guys know. Moving on to USD CAD, we can see on the daily time frame we've had our most recent break of structure towards the upside, and this is the current swing range we're trading within. Now, ever since the 1st of May, we've been aggressively just buying up, pushing price in towards the upside. We've not seen a deep correction for a long period of time, and it's difficult to know where this could take place from. I thought these equal highs and a lot of the liquidity that's above there could be that instigator to start pushing price further down, as there's no other points of liquidity that's significant within this leg for a very long time. I think the next point of liquidity I'd be looking at is at 144.198, and we're only down at 142.234. So what I'll be looking for now is maybe some downside to some of these points of liquidity before you can then look for that upside. But I think it'd be better to wait for a larger reaccumulation on USD CAD.